How to download Clash of Clans. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to download and install Clash of Clans on your mobile device. Without further ado, let's learn how to download this amazing game. Open Play Store on your Android device or App Store on your iOS device. Tap on the search bar. Search for Clash of Clans. Select first search result for Clash of Clans. Tap on the install button. The game will begin downloading and installing on your device. The installation time may vary depending on your internet speed. Please be patient. Once the installation is completed, you can now play the game on your device. Simply tap on play to launch the game. Follow all the setup instructions, then log into your account if you have one or sign up for an account. Then you will be all set to enjoy this amazing game on your mobile device. And there you have it, you have successfully learned how to download and install Clash of Clans on your mobile device. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.